7 years, it's time to replace the battery in this 2016 Honda Rancher. Let's get started. Okay, so this is the battery I went with. It's the exact replacement of what's in here from the factory. And this Yuasa brand is among the best. I've had this brand of battery before and they seem to last a long time. Let me pull out of the box here. So there it is, GYZ 16H, made in USA. And this is 16 amp hour. A lot of the ones I was looking at were like 12. And I got this one on Amazon. It's about 130 bucks. I'll put a link in the description. All right, so first things first, we'll go ahead and get the seat off. All right, next, let this compartment door swing down and just pull up on this piece and slide it out. Okay, that stuff out of the way. There's a rubber strap here, it just connects in the front, so just kind of pull that down to release it. Just swing that out of the way and take your 10mm socket and take the positive off like that. And we'll do the same for the negative. Okay, and then battery should just lift right on out of there. Like that. And I probably have extra wiring here for the, I got a plow, winch for my plow, so maybe a little bit extra in here. All right, and there's the old one. Okay, and then this is the hardware that came with the new battery. So these battery nuts just slip in there like so, like that. And these are the screws that came with. And I noticed my ones I took out were a tad bit longer. That's probably because I added a few extra wires back in the day. But I'll probably end up reusing these longer ones. Now I'll go ahead and install the new one, and the negative is on the right side of the machine, positive's on the left. And we'll go ahead and hook up the positive cables. And hook up the negative. All right, new battery is in. Go ahead and put this cover on. And this, there's a couple little tabs right here it just slides into. And then the front just pushes down like that. Go ahead and put this back. And the seat. All right, let's go ahead and try it. All right, good to go. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one. on.